Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's sandbox video update, and please join me into the Discord. I do have something for you out there, so read this post if you want to actually have fun on the Discord as well. And yeah, so let's get into the charts right here right now. And yeah, so I'm into the daily. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch into the 4 hour time frame because there's something to talk about it on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so here we are, and right now what I see here is something that is very important for you to know, and that's gonna be this left shoulder, the head, and this right shoulder right there. Okay, yeah, so all you did right now is you actually broke out of a head and shoulder pattern. So this was your top to the bottom. Okay, this is where you're breaking out, and the next technical target you're looking for is the 2.6643 at that. That's the technical target that we're looking for. But I'm actually going to turn off the log scale at this point of time, and I want to see if I turn off the log scale, we probably might get a little bit of a different target from that one. So this is going to be from the top to the bottom, and if you turn off the log scale, you can see that it's trying to take you down to 2.3378, and this is going to be a drop of the first target is going to be from there to there, 23% drop, and potentially a 32% drop basically. So that's what it is right now. Bitcoin is actually looking bearish. Watch the Bitcoin update as well, and it's gonna serve justice for understanding what the other coins are actually gonna do as well. So as long as Bitcoin is looking bad, you're gonna have some bearish continuation to the downside. But all in all, what I just want to say is it's simple. Just follow the charts, okay, unless they are invalidated. So all you want to see for this head and shoulders to be cancelled out is actually you go up above this neckline. Simple. You break the neckline at the 3.77 and you continue, then boom, you're not going to go to the downside. It's just a very simple rule, not even my own rule, but basically just a technical analysis rule that when you break out of something, you go above the resistance, you break the resistance, and that's you putting up yourself on a safe zone. Otherwise, you're going to be looking absolutely nasty to go to the downside as well. And who knows, we can still continue with the downtrend. You could even go to the dollar department as well, but that's actually very far. You're not going to go straight down just like that. Okay, even if we were to go down, we're going to talk about it, but at this point of time, at least let's just point what is there, and that's the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. Boom, it takes you to the first target, 2.6 something, and then the second target, if you close the log scale, which is going to be the 2.33 dollars. So these are two targets that I'm basically looking, the first one being the 2.7 region areas. And that's it for today's sandbox update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.